Very good morning, everybody. It's Sunday today, Sunday morning. I'm back in Hogeveen train station on my way to Schiphol Airport again, and last trip of the season. I have to go to San Marino to sort out some stuff at the workshop, clean some crates and do some counting, and already prepare some stuff for Malaysia. So yeah, final trip finally. Now it's Thursday morning and we're pretty much done packing and counting and cleaning and everything. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks like. And yeah, the weather changed a little bit as well. It's not so nice weather here anymore, and yeah, let's go inside real quick. I'm back in Hogeveen where the video started. It's well, freezing, so it's 0 degrees here, and it's 10 p.m. And well, this is the end of the video, and also the end of the season. Everything is clean and packed and ready to go to the first test in Malaysia again. So yeah, I really enjoyed making these videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. I would like to thank everybody who watched it, and I hope to see you again next season. And yeah, for now, everybody a very Merry Christmas and awesome 2022. So I hope to see you guys next year. Bye bye.